Robofin Welding Production Line Integration Focus. Manufacturing of lightweight components for new energy vehicles. Using KMT low heat input welding process. 3 mm high precision control as the core technical support. It can effectively overcome welding deformation in aluminum and high-strength steel. Industry pain points such as splashing. The welding qualification rate exceeds 98%. The production line supports modular and flexible configuration for production, including KMT welding workstation, laser welding workstation, gluing workstation, laser cutting, FED's workstation, riveting workstation, gantry friction stir welding, gantry machining center, air tightness testing equipment. Achieve full process digital management and control. Significantly shorten the debugging cycle. Improve production efficiency. Provide a one-stop turnkey project, from scheme design to operation and maintenance services, paired with a nationwide 7/24-hour service network. Fully ensure the stable and efficient operation of the production line. It possesses both advantages of energy saving and carbon reduction. Manufacturing of lightweight components suitable for new energy vehicles. Demand for high-quality development.